In this video, I will show you how to find a job on gov.uk. Currently, there are 108,916 jobs in the UK. These are the live jobs. They are open. Reason I'm creating this video is to create awareness that please don't pay anyone for the job. It's all scam. I have created loads of videos on scams. If anyone asking for a money against the job, then it's a scam. So there are loads of jobs available on gov.uk. How to find these jobs? I'll show you in this video. Just go on gov.uk. In the search section, just write find a job. Gov.uk is the only genuine website which you should trust for UK. Do not trust any other website apart from gov.uk because this is official government website. Click find a job, then you will come to this page where it says start now. You have to create your account. It's very simple. Just with your email address and details, you can create your account. After that, you will land on this page. First one is search jobs. Second one, your activity, your CV, your email address, your favorite jobs, manage your account. If you click search for jobs, you will land on this page. So there are 108,000 jobs at the moment. You also have the option fully remote, on-site, hybrid remote. So for example, if you're looking for a visa sponsorship job, then just write visa in the search section. Let's see if we can find something. See this? Now you have 3,744 jobs in the UK. Vehicle mechanic, visa sponsorship, £39,000. MEP planner, visa sponsorship. Associate, visa sponsorship. Electrical lineman, visa sponsorship. So all these jobs you can see, they clearly says that they will provide you visa sponsorship. There are loads of jobs if you're looking for religious worker visa. So just see this, Gurdwara, obviously, in Sri Guru Singh Sabha, obviously that's a religious worker visa. Watch this video. I've showed how you can apply religious worker visa. In this video, you will get the complete guidance. And watch this video. I've showed how you can apply the seasonal worker visa. So there are few companies who provide you seasonal worker visa. You come to UK and you work during a period, winter period or summer period, and then you go back. We also have power line technician. Let's go second page. M&E commissioning manager, 70 to 80,000 pound per year. Facilities assistant. I'm not sure whether it's visa sponsorship or not. Then we have facilities environmental coordinator. We have few more over here. Some jobs they usually mention in the search section that the job is available. Let's search for example accommodation manager in UK. Click search. You will come to this page. Now there are 56 jobs of accommodation manager. So for example, this one 35 to 45,000 pounds, and we can offer visa sponsorship for this role if needed, subject to company holding a valid sponsor license and successful candidate meeting the. So this is another one. You can click and apply. Next one is accommodation manager. So you have loads of jobs which are available. You just need to apply them. If you don't apply, you won't get. So this is the best way you can look for it. But please don't pay anyone for the job because they are all scammers, especially on Facebook. They will ask you and then they will add you on the group. They will show you fake profile, fake company. Then they will ask you for some fee for against the course or anything. There are different techniques. That's how they do the scam. But in short, there are loads of jobs even in the teaching. If you look for the head teacher, for example, head teachers are also providing the visa sponsorship because this comes under the education, and they also provide you the visa sponsorship. This one, it clearly says visa cannot be sponsored. So if the company, now how to check whether the company got the sponsorship or not. So for example, whether they have the sponsor license. If they have the sponsor license, they can give you the visa. Now how to check that? For that, just again go on gov.uk. In the search section, just write sponsor license. Click on this link and then go down. Look for the license rating, or even if you click over here, then in this list, you will look for the apply for license or your license rating. And then you will have this link, A rating, full license. Register of sponsors. If I click this link, this will give me Excel file, which will be like massive. But if I click view online, then all these companies got the visa sponsorship. Now how to read this? This is the name of the company. This is the town. This is the country. Rating skilled worker. So if they have skilled worker, religious worker. So let's suppose if we go back and look for that religious worker, or just write visa sponsor, search, then let's suppose this first one, vehicle mechanic. So this is the name of the company, Skills Provision Limited. I'll copy this. I'll come to this page. This one will only have the limited number. So what I'll download this document. Once you download, you will get this kind of a page. So I'll just sort this out. So this is the town and this is the name of the company. So you will select this column, Control F and just Control V. So this is the Gurdwara Sri Guru. So if I click on this, I'll come to this page. So this is the job. This is the company name, Newcastle upon Tyne, A rating, religious worker visa. So if I go back, I can see religious worker visa, temporary work, job posted on 11th August 2025, and this is the company name. And you will click apply now, and you will. The best is if you really want to apply for the job, phone them as well. You can find their number on their website because it's a company. You will phone them, drop them a CV, speak to them, ask them that what options they can provide you. In short, there are jobs which do provide visa and you just need to apply them. If you don't apply, you don't get. You don't ask, you don't get. But do not trust anyone, don't pay anyone. The moment you will pay someone, that's a scam, especially for the job.